The channels of mentoring are expanding, and one of the things that you're going to have to do as a mentor, beyond sitting in a chair, having a conversation across from someone, is that you're going to have to gain competence in the communication channels called Zoom and Skype and TeamMeetings, any of those kind of names that are associated with the electronic world where you're going to have conversations using those technologies. And in doing so, one of the things that's going to become really important is how to manage your personal time and effort as you use these technologies. Let me give you a really great example here, is the importance of understanding time and energy associated with sitting in one spot, speaking into a camera. You'll need to take breaks. You'll need to get up and move. One of the things that I have learned is that every 45 minutes or so, and there are people who might argue it should be more or less, I use 45 minutes, is that I purposely get up and go get a glass of water or a cup of tea. And what it means for me is that I have to get up out of my chair, walk over up the stairs, pour myself a glass of water, or put the kettle on for a cup of tea, and then either wait up there for a little bit of a break as I'm standing, and then come back downstairs again. And it gives me an opportunity to stretch out my legs, and also gives my mind headspace a shift of scenery. And often that can spark other ideas, and I so enjoy that. That's why I enjoy walking in the outdoors, is to be able to see things from a different perspective. You can always take the camera along with you if you want, and you could hold a Zoom meeting underneath a tree. Everything's possible. So again, I'm going to emphasize the importance of understanding the communication tools that are now available to you and become proficient in them, become competent in their use. And I will add to that is that you will be able to do it on tablets and computers and phones. So each one of them in their own right has a different feeling to them. I'm shooting this one on my phone, and so it's on a tripod that helps to position it in such a way that I can just speak into it without holding onto my camera. Again, we're used to doing on computers, I get that. But how do you then move around with the use of your phone? Like, how can you click it to get to other areas in case you need to pull something up? Again, look at ways to gain that competence in the use of these communication channels. If in your mentoring session you've recorded the conversations, and again, permission given, it's a really great way to get some feed forward for yourself through your own self-reflection on what's happening. And that can cue you into ways in which to improve focus and strengthen the use of the communication channel, but also the connection that you're having with your mentee. Of course, it's always great to ask the mentee for insights as well. I have an ask of you: subscribe, comment, share, like this video, and ring the bell so that you can receive notifications. Also, what follows is some information about one of the latest courses or books that are available to you.